So what are the key things, the three key most useful tools in Google Analytics that somebody could start with?
What are the three big things in Google Analytics? The first thing I would start with is something called the source medium report, which is a really weird sounding name. But all it means is it gives you a list of what the traffic sources are. What that means is where the people are coming from. How did they find your site? Which brand, which company sent you traffic, right? Sent those eyeballs to your site. That's what that means. And then it tells you the type of traffic. So as an example, it might be you're doing Facebook ads. It might say Facebook is the brand of traffic that came from Facebook and it was paid ads. Or it might be your email system. It identifies how people found you. This is important because just like if you have an office building, people are walking through, you want to know how they found you, right? What generated the traffic coming into your office building. It's the same thing when you're with analytics. What generated the traffic coming onto your site about the office building, whatever it is that you're promoting. So analytics tells you that. So identifying your traffic sources is key, and Source Medium does that for you. Built in, you don't technically have to do anything to it initially. There's some things you can do it to make it better, but initially it will tell you, did they come from a third-party site, right? Or do they come from Google search? So is your search traffic working? Are you ranking in search engines? Or do they just come in directly to your site? They just kind of showed up on their own. Like it'll kind of classify them in those three big ways.